That's fine. Open your shops and produce your documents to the municipality. I need to see them. I will see them. I will take them to Pretoria voluntarily with my petrol and my car because I want to know who's here. And when we have these boot camps for the boys, I conduct boot camps for the boys. I will be coming to your shops. You need to make donations for these boys that don't have fathers and mothers and those orphans in the areas. All right. So you must do that.
Hey, viva phakela indoda yomZulu manje sesithi South Africa yonke abantu abangaphandle abahambe ekuqaleni besithi amaZulu kuphela phakelwe indoda abahambe okay bahamba kodwa nangu futhi uphakela sebancane ufuna ukuya ethunjini lakhe akalwele South Africa ulwela ukuya ethunjini lakhe ma-Africans vukani sibambaneni sizwane akekho umuntu ozosukuma athi uyayimela eSouth Africa umele isizwe sakhe ngathi sengiyifake kabi manje ngithi kodwa uphakela uzama 5 million president wahluleka manje sezama emakuleni makula futhi azoyikhipha imali aqhubeke ehlala angalamba kakhulu futhi uphakela uzohamba ebahlukumeza kakhulu hayi for South Africa but for isisu sakhe sibonge khonapho bakithi hambani emakhaya nani uphakela adle ngani bafethu hayi